A lot of the doors are not hung perfectly square, and therefore they don't stay open. And ever since I moved in, I just place like a block of wood at the bottom of the door to keep it open. I needed the block of wood for something the other day, so I took it away from here, and this door, of course, is now not staying open. It's not too bad right now. You can see it does start to move forward. But the problem is it'll kind of inch its way. Like if I walk by real quick, the airflow, you see it just moved it another inch forward. So by the end of the day, if I keep coming in and out of here, it'll be like this, and it's very annoying. And I just realized that a better solution to the block of wood is to just take the door stopper and hook it on the door stopper like that, and now it will stay open. Even if I walk by very briskly, it doesn't move. Of course, it's not a very strong grasp, but it doesn't need much. It's just enough to keep it open. So that solves that problem until I replace the doors. And the same thing here in the bedroom. I just took the stopper and moved it over to the door, and now the door in the bedroom stays open. So this is great. That door stays open, and this door stays open. I no longer need to have the blocks of wood in front of the doors.